Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect a custom domain name in Odoo. So a custom domain lets visitors access your Odoo website using your own address. Okay, so something like www.facebook.com. So that's a famous URL or domain. Okay, so actually guys, first you will need to purchase or to buy a domain name, and to do that you will need just to go with Namecheap. For example, there are too many platforms like GoDaddy, Cloudflare, etc. So we will go through the Namecheap. So here you will need to type a domain, then go with search, right? Okay, so that's just an example. As you can see here, you will need to use between the .com, .to, .org, .net, .ei, and then go with add to cart, for example, and then go with checkout. And here you will need to enter a promo code if you have one, and then go with confirm order and enter your payment infos. Okay, and once getting the domain, you will need to find your Odoo website address. So actually it's that one for me, as a 12.odoo.com/Odoo. So you will connect your custom domain to this address that you got from Namecheap. So actually guys, you will need to just open your DNS settings. So just log into your domain registrar here and open DNS management inside it, and DNS zone editor and domain settings. Okay, and then just add the DNS record. Okay, so add an record pointing to Odoo's IP address, so you can connect your domain from the Namecheap into automatically your Odoo. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.